So I used to be a madam at a brothel that was located in Florida. And I remember one night these two drunk men stopped at the brothel on their way home. Well, anyways, I thought they were easy targets, so I told the girls to put the men in separate rooms with blow-up dolls, hoping they was too drunk to notice that the blow-up dolls weren't real women. And I also did this so my girls could get a break. But anyways, I had the security on standby just in case something went wrong. And everything went smooth. The men were done in like an hour, and I also heard their conversation as they were leaving the brothel. I was trying not to eavesdrop, but I wanted to hear how their experience was. Well, apparently, one of the men thought his girl was dead. And when his friend asked him why, he said because she was very cold and didn't move or make a sound. Then his friend said, well, I think mine was a witch. The first man said, well, I wouldn't doubt it because mine was dead, but why do you think yours was a witch? That's when his friend looked at him and said, well, when I bit her butt, she farted in my face and flew out the window.